Husqvarna Motorcycles is closing out 2024 with an electrifying reveal, the 2025 Husqvarna FC 250 and FC 450 factory editions. These limited edition models pay tribute to the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing team, delivering a taste of professional motocross performance directly to riders. With these bikes, Husqvarna combines their legendary racing technology with the bold style of Rockstar Energy, making them a must-have for serious riders. These factory editions are crafted to perform at the highest level, just like the bikes seen on the racetrack. Equipped with top-tier features and custom racing upgrades, these machines are built for enthusiasts who demand more than just good looks. The new FC 250 and FC 450 models are optimized for hardcore riders who want to experience motocross performance like never before. The 2025 factory editions stand out visually, featuring a striking Rockstar Energy livery that mirrors the bikes ridden by top racers in the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing team. Riders can choose between two number decal configurations, number 27, representing Malcolm Stewart's bike, or number 1, worn by RJ Hampshire. The black and white color scheme, paired with these iconic numbers, brings the racetrack's energy straight to the streets. While the visual appeal is clear, the real magic happens under the hood. Both the FC 250 and FC 450 are equipped with Husqvarna's advanced connectivity unit off-road, which pairs with a dedicated mobile app to allow riders to fine-tune everything from engine maps to suspension settings. This level of customization offers riders the ability to adjust launch control, traction control, engine braking, and more, ensuring the bike is perfectly tailored to individual riding conditions. Husqvarna's focus on performance is evident in the design and materials used in the factory editions. Both bikes feature a durable white chromium molybdenum steel frame, paired with a die-cast aluminum swing arm and hybrid aluminum polyamide subframe. These lightweight yet robust components provide excellent stability, handling, and comfort, even in the toughest environments. Both the FC 250 and FC 450 come with high-performance WP-ZACT suspension systems, consisting of 48mm front forks and a WP-ZACT rear shock. These components offer superior control and comfort, whether you're racing at high speeds or navigating rough terrain. The bikes also feature Excel Takasugo wheels, CNC machined hubs, and Dunlop Geomax MX34 tires, designed for maximum grip and durability. Braking duties are handled by Brembo brakes, ensuring powerful, precise stopping power when you need it most. Additionally, Husqvarna has included dedicated triple clamps, offering two handlebar mounting positions for added flexibility, allowing riders to adjust their ride to their preferred comfort and style. While the engines in the 2025 factory editions are based on the stock models, they've received several key upgrades to enhance performance. The bikes feature FMF Racing Factory 4.1 silencers that improve exhaust flow while reducing noise. A gold chain links the engine to the rear wheel, offering added durability and performance. Furthermore, the addition of a carbon skid plate and disc protector ensures the undercarriage stays protected during rough rides. Although Husqvarna has yet to announce official pricing or a specific release date, the 2025 FC 250 and FC 450 factory editions are expected to hit dealerships in 2025. With their combination of cutting-edge technology, premium components, and the unmistakable Rockstar Energy styling, these bikes are poised to become a favorite among motocross enthusiasts. If you're ready to elevate your riding experience and take your performance to the next level, the 2025 Husqvarna FC 250 and FC 450 factory editions are ready to deliver. Get ready for the ultimate motocross experience, Rockstar style.